In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Slicer to turn a non-multi-material part into a multi-material part. It's pretty easy. Let's just add a file here. So I've chosen snakes, which is one of my favorite models on Thingiverse. I'm going to use the snake coil, nice and big, and I'm going to double click on it. You can double click on it here or over here. I do it over here, it's more reliable. I'm going to click on the STL file here and say split part. And Slicer is going to go and turn it into a bunch of individual pieces. There we go. I don't know why that took so long. Usually it's pretty quick. So it seems to just assign them extruders at random. I don't know what that's all about. So let's say I want a blue and white snake. So this one starts off pretty good. We've got a blue tongue, and make sure that you know when you're done, just double check by clicking on each one over here in addition to over here, because sometimes there's like a little part under here that you missed. Just a little tip for you. So it starts off fine. We'll go white, blue, but this one needs to be white. So I'm going to put that to extruder 2, which is white. This one needs to be white, and that's basically how you do it. And now we have ourselves a multi-material snake, and this model was not multi-material, but we just turned it into it. Now let's click OK. Let's go to the preview. It should have it on tool view, so it should show me the individual tools that are in use. Oh, I should also turn on multiple extruders. I don't know why Slicer's running so slow on this particular model. There we go. Ha! What have I got set for the brim? Or for the skirt, I should say. What in the world? Yeah, that's not right. Something's wrong there. But yeah, so you can see that we've got our multi-material all set, multiple extruders. Oh, that's not what I want. I want wave tower. There we go. And it's saying that not all parts are in the... There we go. Detected toolpath outside print volume. That's very strange. But anyways, that's how you do it. Pretty easy.